Hi, I'm ST from HomeTowne Auto Repair and Tire, and I'm here with Mayor Derrick Wood from Dyvine Barbecue. One of the things that we did was we bought a package at the Boys and Girls Club fundraiser, and he actually brought the barbecue here for all the guys here at the shop. And one thing that's very important that I'm a big believer in is supporting businesses that support our community.
Yeah, the Boys and Girls Club is one of those that's near and dear to my heart, because I believe that they're giving kids an outlet and a recreation. So whenever they have any type of fundraisers, I'm going to contribute. I appreciate folks like HomeTowne buying those packages and supporting, because the money actually goes to get these kids off the streets and get them recreational programming and to actually help develop and stimulate them for a lasting lifetime to build better citizens in this community.
So one of the things that's very important is when you see these fundraisers or you go to them, pay attention to who's supporting those organizations, and please support those businesses.
Absolutely. I'm Chef Derrick Wood, #MyBarbecue, man.
And ST Billingsley, HomeTowne Auto Repair and Tire.